Hello guys, Igor here doing one more episode analyzing SupaPass, a tool that just came to AppSumo and it claims to monetize podcast, blog, and video content on a no-code website. It's a tool to create a website and use it to display your podcast, your blog, your YouTube channel with an automatically feed in a way that it will upload your new episodes automatically with no need of manually updates. This is pretty cool. And also it has a membership area where you can upload your membership exclusive content. So it's now some way to update your users about your podcast or YouTube channel. The deal is pretty good. However, if you want to get all the features, you would need to buy the tier 3, because if you buy tier 2 or tier 1, you have a limit of your audience member and the limit is not so good. So you need to buy the tier 3 to get unlimited audience members and also unlimited content feed in a way that you will be able to add more content to your websites. So the tier 3 here is the pretty good way to go. Let's take a look at the tool and how it works. So here is the first thing that you're going to see when you create an account. You're going to add your name, and then you'll be able to add your podcast. You can select if you want to add your podcast now or later on. You can search your podcast by name or use your podcast URL to start your website. For the sake of that review, I'm going to search my podcast by name and I'm going to add it here. You can select if your podcast type is audio or video and the average downloads per episode. Then you click on import. After you import your podcast, you will be able to add your logo and also a square logo icon, which is optional. You can select the appearance of your website as light or dark. You can see the preview here, light or dark. Then you'll be able to select a theme that will be your website main color. You can also add your own color here, selecting on picker. Then you can select one of their templates. I have different templates here. Let's select this one for the sake of that review. You can preview your template in your websites like that. You click on Build in Editor. Here is the page builder, and you can see that the site is responsive. You can see it on mobile here and also on desktop. It works as blocks, so it's pretty easy to edit. You can see that you can go to each block to add the content. So let's say you want to add that block here, you click on the left edit block button, and then you can just change the background image, the appearance, also the theme, light or dark, and add an intro, heading, subtitle, and save the block. You can edit the block as well if you don't like the main one, and it's done. So it's pretty easy to change your website. If you want to add a page block, it's also pretty simple. For instance, you select a block. For instance, if you want to add a video, then you just click on the block. When it's done, you have a new block. The kind of blocks that they have is the headlines, CTA, LR, side image, marketing video, featured items, text, codes, contact form, and app download link. As you can see here, the tool adds your podcast automatically on the website. You'll be able to change your SEO settings, page title, meta description, and also the image you shared with your site. You will be able to have an app design, but it's a monthly add-on. You need to pay, but on AppSumo, if you buy the deal, you're going to pay less expensive to create your app on Android and Apple. When you want, you will be able to add your favicon or change your logo, etc. on branding. On settings, you will be able to add an FAQ, your basic info, upload your custom domain, and also add your customer support email. You'll be able also to change the website menu in future, adding new features on your website. You will be able, in the paid version, to sort collections into categories to create your content exactly how you want it. So it will be fully customizable. And here is the RSS import, where you can upload automatically your blog feed URL. your podcast URL, and your videos URL. You can upload your own media files, and you can also sell your products here. Very easy to create a new product, create the product, add new content to it, and control who can access the content. To sale, you have the integration with Stripe, and you can also sell license and codes using SupaPass. You can fully customize your contact form as well. You can send push notifications using SupaPass, and also you will be able to manage your users here. You can connect SupaPass to Zapier, adding more than 5,000 apps to it. As you can see here, SupaPass websites and mobile apps support all language and script, so the tool is multi-language. You can have podcasts and videos on the same website app. Then you're gonna easily import those podcasts or RSS feeds and YouTube videos in one site with the premium plan. You can also have a CNAME for every single website and connect Zapier. The mobile app is an add-on, and if you buy the tier 1, tier 2, or tier 4, you're gonna get different price for it. You need to buy AppSumo tier 3 up to 5 to get unlimited audience members and unlimited content feeds. That way you can create a podcast network or also add a Netflix-style curation website. The payment integration that they have right now is Stripe. They support monetization with the paywall using Stripe or creating a valuable space to have sponsorship. By now, they don't support AdSense or AdMob. Oh, this is Superpass on AppSumo. I hope you like that review. If you like, please click on the link in the description to help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.